Hey, check it out, man. This your boy GA, man. HDTV, man. We out here in motherfucking Phoenix, you understand me? This my boy Mike Twice, you understand me, from Seattle. Man, look, I like his bike, and the reason why I like his bike and his shit so clean, he gonna tell you the story. But the boy said he only been riding his bike, man, fucking 2 months. And that's what motivated me, man. I ain't got no bike. I've been scared of that thing. And now, this is my motivation. Mike, go on and tell me your story, man.
I bought the bike before I knew how to ride. I'm only 2 months on the ground. Believe that. 103, he's clean, candied up, you know what I mean? We get money around here, believe that. But I'm just letting you know, man, this is the best thing going. It's HDs, hundreds of dollars, believe that. 206, Seattle, Washington. We in the building, Phoenix, Arizona. Believe that.
Hey, now look, what made you go with the colors of your bike? Tell them the concept of it.
I just did that roundup last year, man, and I didn't see nobody, you know what I mean, with the color scheme. So I just said, let me put it together, do my own thing. You know what I mean? You see filthy bikes everywhere, but I didn't, all the bikes I seen, I ain't seen nothing with no Miami Dolphins look to it. Feel me?
Hey, and another thing that I like about his bike, he ain't got the little ugly pig. He got what you got on the back of the bike. That caught my attention too.
That's a boar hog back there, man.
Now why you go with the bull hog?
A boar hog, it's just a meaner. It's a meaner look to it, you know what I mean?
Right. And another thing that I like about his bike, man, is that your light is not where everybody else's is. You know what I'm saying? Like your lights is in a different area. Like me, hands down, man, I really like this bike, man. I like the concept. I like the colors. You know what I'm saying? Everything is all right to me, personally.
Shout out to HDTV. It's Casey Cali out here in Arizona, man. AZ 602. Okay.
I need that green bike I just filmed on HDTV Arizona edition, and this white and blue one I'm about to hit right now.